evening. My son is not home. Not yet home since yesterday. Okay? Likely will come back. He will come home tomorrow morning. Okay, there's Lizzie Boy, the retired man. This is latest little groceries from Tiong Baro Plaza. Okay? And some bread. More bread there. Rolls. Yeah. Cheese rolls. Okay? With the nuts. April 13, 2026. We have some biscuit here. Yeah, one pack of biscuit. Okay. And some cherry tomatoes, shampoo from Tiong Baro Plaza. Duty for price. Okay. Just mamaya listen po when they do his thing again in the bank. Yeah. Ayun. Okay. So this for today, folks. I my ginger honey tea, a chicken, and vegetable. Enjoy. Okay? This happens April 13, 2026. Latest little groceries at home Blackford, the world of Singapore. It's an limited one, so it's not. Enjoy, Singapore.